Hello friends, Speedball Mike Bailey here, Speed Vlog Mike Bailey. We are barreling through February. And Veda, we both are very busy this week. I'm going to California.
Can I show a thing that just got posted on
Yes,
Twitter?
yes,
okay,
you
so
may.
Yesterday, you were tagged in a Speedball art that was very cute. This is at Cowboys? Cowboys? At Cowboys.
Cowboys.
On Twitter, X, which we will never call it
The Everything app.
But they have made a Veda cat to accompany Speedball cat.
Whoa. Wow.
Yes, I do have my Twitter and my phone not on dark mode. I have trouble distinguishing the colors when it's too dark. Leave me alone. That was very cute. Thank you so much. I love it.
Speaking of I love it, I like your hat.
It's a Kirby.
And you're very busy this week. You're driving up to Ottawa.
I am.
Then you're driving up to Detroit.
So I'm driving to Ottawa because Thursday night C4 is doing another women's show. Shout out C4 Wrestling.
Shout out C4 Wrestling.
And then I'm driving to the Detroit area. So it's Juggalo weekend. So
deep in Juggalo country.
Deep in Juggalo country. That is home turf. I think there's shows in Lansing, Detroit, and another place.
Well, I'm very excited to see everything that went on at those shows in the Veda vlog. But for now, let's go. All right, we are in beautiful, rainy, hopefully the truck's not too loud, Sacramento. It's Dynamite. I got the sleeves cut off my shirt because we mean business. Let's go. That was a deep breath. That was a very, very big inhale.
You know, I've been working on my breath work. We're working on being in tune with the universe. You know, with all this gold on us, we got a lot of targets.
A lot of weight to carry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, as discussed last week, we've made plenty of enemies.
Yes.
And I got a long week. I'm gonna be staying out here in California.
Okay.
All the way up until Saturday. And it all starts with you today. No.
No waves. Man.
I think it's the middle of the winter. I don't think it's surfing season. Oh. But regardless, I don't surf. I've never surfed in my life. I've never
catch a wave.
Never been interested in surfing. You know, I think there's too much involved. Like, I'd have to buy a surfboard. If you don't live in an area where you can surf all the time, I don't think there's a point.
I agree with you, but you know,
have you ever surfed?
I have not, and I don't think I ever will. Maybe I'll try it one day, but I'm scared of the ocean. There's a lot of things I don't know about. There's a lot of dolphins. There's a lot of sharks.
Wait, a lot of dolphins are cool. Everyone loves dolphins,
but they are above us. They're like the smartest animal on the earth, so they can do a lot of malice.
So, well, there's one animal that I know you're not scared of.
Which is?
The bull.
Ooh, never afraid of that. I got my red cape with me.
Yeah, there we go. Well, hopefully you can whip it out tonight, because so we just cut the video there, but you laid out a big challenge. It's you against Beast Mortos tonight. 1v1, and if he wins, he gets to pick any two of his friends from LFI and challenge us for these boys, them boys, this Saturday on Collision. Collision.
Are we taking collagen too?
Collision. Yeah. Collagen.
Well, I'm confident in my abilities. No disrespect to Beast Mortos. We've had our interactions in the past, and I just think I just wanted to be generous. It's a charitable month. I just wanted to give back to the community is all.
Well, you really have to win, because I don't want us to do another 6-man tag versus LFI for the fucking 100th time.
Why not? We always come out on top, do we?
You know what? Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Rouge is still absent, so I mean, they'd have to mix things up a little bit. Unless Rouge is coming back.
We could figure something
out.
But yeah, we're getting ready for Beast Mortos tonight. Strap on your horns, whatever you got to do to get ready, Beast, because we're trying to get in and out.
Boom. Strap them on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, Willow, sorry. You're getting dressed. You got to run. You got a big 4-way match. I just want to wish you good luck. Kill it. Go out there. Have fun.
I'm going to do my very best. Yeah!
Yeah!
Are you guys wrestling tonight?
Kevin is for Mortos. I don't want to wrestle LFI again. You got to win this.
I got you, my
Let's
dog.
go.
Let's get it, baby.
So you never know who you're going to run into at AEW, and we've got West Coast Pros Alpha Zo. We had a couple fun matches back in the day.
Oh, yes.
Back in the day, like a year and a half ago.
Yeah.
But I want to say that you were an extra and you did things right today. In that you are bringing home 4 to-go containers, which some people would say is like just, being greedy or whatever. But no, I say you're preventing food waste.
Exactly.
I don't think they do anything smart with the food that's left over from catering after the show. So you 100%. If you come to extra work for AEW, just pack him up and take him home. Love to see you.
Love to see you too, man. Man, I appreciate you.
All right. Look, it's no LFI this week. I know how much you wanted to get in the ring with Rouge and Sammy Guevara and whoever else is in LFI, but we got in there, got in and got out.
Don't get me wrong, I love wrestling them.
Do you?
Yeah, no, honestly, I wish I got to work with Sammy Guevara a lot more in AEW. He and I had some really fun matches in DDT, and I'd love to do that again. Rouge, I think he always brings the heat, brings the fire. He's a good guy.
I like Rouge. I'll say it straight up on camera. I like Rouge.
He fucking hates your ass.
That's cool with me.
He's a big hater.
Yeah, he's a big hater. He sees a nice smile. He sees we got the trios championships. He still hasn't gotten the championship since being there. So I get it. I get it, Rouge. But it's all love over here. But so I heard the Demand is looking for us now.
Did they? Did they fucking call us out?
I heard they're looking for us now.
Okay, that's fine. I mean, we can do that one again too. We can run that one back as many times as need be to finally fucking prove the point. But I don't think we've ever brought Hangman along with us.
It's a different ball game when Hangman getting there with us. So.
We had Michael Oku, that was great.
Right.
We had Jack Perry, that was great too. Anthony Bowens, yeah.
We had a lot of partners with us, but I think this one might be a little bit different.
Let's fucking go. We've got championships on the line too.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Let's get it, baby.
I'll see you in San Diego.
Let's go.
This aggressive red light can only mean two things. One, we're at Collision or Kenny Rogers Roasters. But we're at Collision today, and we're defending our Trios Championship. Let's go. All right, boys.
Champs are here.
Bringing out by the trash can.
Yeah.
Right where we belong, because that's what we are, deep down inside, garbage.
Wow.
But we're in a beautiful city tonight, Oceanside, California.
That was beautiful.
The Front Wave Arena. Front Wave Arena?
You might know better.
I got here
today, I don't know.
I did media over the last 2 days, so I had to say it a bunch of times. Front Wave Arena in Oceanside, California. Revolution is March 15th. I said 19th in one of my interviews. And now a bunch of people are going to show up at the Crypto.com Arena on March 19th. Like, hey, Speedball said there'd be a show today.
That's a cheer.
Come on now.
But I think it's on you guys at this point. But we got to stay focused on today because it's a big day. Our first AEW Men's World Trios Championship defense. Because they don't have Women's Trios Championship yet. Can I still call it just the Trios Championship?
Intergender championship?
I wish it was.
It could be.
I don't know why Trios Championships,
be?
of all championships, should have any gender restrictions. That seems ridiculous.
Well, it doesn't.
Right.
Does it? I
Look
don't
at
know.
the belt, it doesn't. So, I mean,
The proof is in the pudding.
you tell me.
This is true. This is very true. Okay, regardless, today, the demand, we got to get it going.
Hey, look, we have hair, they don't, so I think it's on our side.
Well, no, they do. Only
They do.
Ricochet doesn't.
They do.
I guess he's bald enough for the three of them.
He's at a handicap, so.
I got new britches.
Oh, yeah, we got new
Check out the new
New
gear,
britches.
you know.
So
Boy looking spiffy.
I don't have my phone to show the Beyonce photo that inspired this gear. But okay, let's go. Let's go do this match, and I'll show you guys after.
We'll be right back.
Yeah, there's more privacy and less garbage in that room over there. But it's pretty nice. Rob, shit, you can walk through.
We're back at the trash can.
Speaking of trash can, do you know this guy's... Rob, get in here. Do you know this guy's full legal name?
It's German. It's Rob shit.
It's Rob Shit.
Oh, no shit. How you spell it?
S-H-I-T? No, just
Literally?
S-H-I-T, yeah.
S-H-I-T.
His name's Rob Shit. This is
I was trying to think of a creative way to say it German.
regardless, boys, we did it.
We did it. We came out on top. Our first title defense successful. We're tarnishing Ricochet's legacy all through and through. So,
man,
yeah, I'm not sure what
I
his
don't want to
legacy
just tarnish it. I want to take his legacy. I want to crumple it up. I want to throw it. I want to stump on it. I want to piss on it a little bit.
All of that.
I want to kick it into the sea where it belongs.
I love that.
Yeah, guys, if I can, I'm sorry it took so long to get a defense of these championships.
Oh, hey,
We're busy.
I know. I mean, like it's an excuse and an explanation. I've had a lot on my plate, a lot on my mind with the World Championship,
Right.
the Trios Championships, and what happened at the end of Dynamite last Wednesday. So.
Hey,
A lot on my plate. I apologize. We haven't gotten to defend these sooner, but I intend to do it as soon as we can again.
Well,
Hey,
look, this is the dream, right? Trios champions. Jet Speed gets the tag team championship. You get the World's Championship. You get the TBS.
Right,
Or
TNT, there we go.
Whichever, it doesn't matter.
You know
I get
one,
the TBS,
you
I get TD. We get the International, the National, the Continental.
We belt it
all
up.
of them, and we just wrestle each other and pass them around back and forth.
listen, you're an inspiration. You're already a champion. You going for more gold. Listen, we need to be moving like Hangman back in the day. We need to be moving like Hangman. So I love it. I love it personally.
Thanks, guys. I love that match. Sorry, I'm a little spaced out.
Me too, yes.
I got a lot on my mind.
I also, again, this gear looks hella fantastic.
that?
Yeah, and I gotta show y'all the inspo for it, which is
Boom.
Beyonce. I got my whole camera roll. Also, you can probably see some nudes. But you got Beyonce at the Daytona 500, which is and I am annoyed, by the way, if you watch this, Hyon and My World, who also got some Beyonce gear.
Wow.
And I was hoping we could all get a Beyonce gear photo, but they're not here today, so
out to
we'll
them.
have to do it next time.
We'll see them soon.
We'll see them soon.
But anyways, we still the Trios champions, still looking good, and we got the future AEW Men's World Champ right here with us. So we feeling good.
Hell yeah.
Feeling great.
Feeling good? You're feeling good?
Tired. I'm feeling good though. Yeah, sinus infection's back.
Sinus.
It's back.
All right. All
Thanks,
right.
guys.
Let's get some rest.
Yup.
And I made it back home after a very long day of travel back from San Diego. Very long flight and very bad weather outside. I made it safe and sound, and I'm like, I'm feeling sore. I wonder what's going on. Why am I so sore? And then I was scrolling my phone and I came across this clip from yesterday.
The knees got in. Bishop Khan is down. Oh my goodness!
And I was like, oh, maybe that's what did it. So yeah, there I am. But we gotta keep it going. Unfortunately, Veda is still on the road. They will be back tomorrow. So they can't be on the outro. And I don't like doing the outro without Veda. Regardless, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for another week of Speed Vlog. Thank you for sticking with me. Really appreciate it. Let's keep going.